Hello kids and welcome to our channel. Before we start, let me ask you a question. What comes to your mind when you think about the winter? Is it coats, hats, gloves, cold air or snow? For me, it's always snow. Now let's learn something fun about the snow. In our last video, we saw why is it always cold in winter. So now we'll see how the cold weather creates snowflakes. There are a lot of dust particles in the atmosphere. So up above in the cloud, when a very cold water vapor comes in contact with a dust particle, and if the conditions in the cloud are just right, the water freezes around the dust particle. The frozen dust particle is now called a seed crystal. When the seed crystal starts moving around in the clouds, it makes new friends called the water droplets. So the seed crystal starts to hang out with water droplets and they form a very special bond. The shape of their bond is usually a hexagon and we call it a snow crystal. When this snow crystal starts to fall on the ground, they stick to one another and they form a bigger snow crystal, and that we call a snowflake. Yay! Now we know how the snowflakes are formed. So let's look at the snowfall life cycle. It is very similar to the water life cycle, which we have already discussed in one of our other videos. You can find a link to that in the description below. Similar to the water cycle, in the very first step, the sun causes water to evaporate to become steam. As this steam goes higher in the atmosphere, it starts to cool down and creates clouds. When it gets really cold and the temperature in the cloud drops below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, water freezes and turns into ice. This is the same ice that later turns into snow crystals. So kids, now you know how the snowflakes are created, but do you know that each snowflake is unique? When snow crystals are falling from the sky, each one takes a different path and experiences different atmospheric conditions, and thus no two snowflakes are the same. Wow, you are learning so much today. Here is one more fun fact about the snowflake. What do you think is the color of a snowflake? Is it white or blue? Actually, it's neither. Snowflake is colorless. That means snowflake has no color, just like water. Snowflakes are actually translucent. Whoa, translucent? That's a big word. This just means that a very little light passes through the snowflake. Most of the light gets reflected. Hence, it creates a white-like appearance in the snowflake. I'm so proud of you. You have learned a lot, kids. So this winter, let's all go outside and enjoy the snow. There are so many games you can play in the snow. Can you name some of those games? Please let us know in the comment section below and we'll learn all about those in our next video. So what are you waiting for? Just go and enjoy. But wait, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Bye guys and have a happy winter.